out today on this Mooncool CG2. I'm going to take it for a ride today and take you with me on the ride. But before I do, let's go ahead and talk a little bit more about this bike. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the handlebars. You do get rubber grips, which I like. That way when I'm hot and sweaty, my hands don't lose the grip. You have a left and right turn signal switch right here. You get an electric horn. Here are your control buttons. Let me go ahead and power the bike on. The LCD display is a gray screen, which makes it easier for you to be able to see all the information while you're out riding in the sun. On the display, you're going to get your normal information. You have your battery power. It's going to let you know what pedal assist level you're in. It doesn't show up as a number though. It's going to show up as a bar. So one little bar, for example, that's going to tell you that you're in pedal assist 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let me go ahead and push it back down. You're going to be able to know how fast you're going. And then you're going to also be able to tell your overall odometer on how far you've ridden your bike. Moving across, in addition to this electric horn that you get, it also comes with a bell, the 7-speed Shimano shifter. You have a half twist throttle, and then you have your front and rear brake, hydraulic brake disc levers. Moving to the front, you do have an LED headlight. Let me go ahead and turn that on by pressing this plus button for a few seconds. Once your headlight is on, that indicator light will also show up on your display. We have a front fender, and then we do have fat tires. Moving back, you do have the step-through model. There's a place to hold some water. For your battery, you're going to have a 48-volt, 20-amp-hour battery. It does have a battery indicator light that you can press. There's a button right here that you can press, and it will indicate, well, my nails are in the way. It'll indicate where your battery is at before you leave out on any ride that you take. You have a vacuum foam seat. One thing I do want to mention with the battery though, you do have to take off the seat to be able to completely remove the battery from the bike, which is easy because you have a quick release located right here. When it comes to your motor, you have a 750 watt motor down there. You do have a derailleur guard. And then the last little thing I want to talk about before I head off riding with you guys is it does come with an integrated rear rack. The rack is a little bit longer than most other typical e-bikes. With that being said, it gives you the availability to customize it to your daily riding needs. For example, you can leave it just as it is, and you can have a large little cargo area to haul stuff with you. You can equip it with 2 different back seats and a protective brace. Or you can just equip it possibly with the brace, and then you have a place to store all of your shopping bags as you get ready to ride. And in regards to the kickstand, it is a little bit different than most of your typical bikes. It kind of makes me think of a moped style kickstand. So yeah, just a few things that I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys before I hopped on and started riding. So let's go ahead and take this bike for a ride. The recommended rider height for this CG2 is anyone that is 5'1" up to 6'4", and the maximum weight capacity is going to be 450 pounds. Trying to get up my first hill. I've just done pedal assist 1, and the bike is not having any troubles whatsoever helping me get up that hill. If I was just on a regular bicycle, I would have really struggled trying to get up that hill. In regards to the pedal assist, as I mentioned earlier, there are 5 different levels of pedal assist, and your maximum speed is going to be around 20 miles per hour. In addition to the 5 different levels of pedal assist, you do have a couple of other options for like modes when you're riding. For example, before you hop on your bike and if you're needing to push your bike somewhere, you can activate the push assist mode, which simply sounds, just refers to what it sounds like. when you activate it, if you're walking with your bike, the bike is going to easily propel itself with you so that it's just kind of walking alongside of you. And then the other option you have is cruise control. So if you're riding somewhere on a straight stretch and you're just wanting to maintain that certain speed, you can activate cruise control and your bike will stay at that steady constant speed until you disengage it or until you press the brake lever. When it comes to your battery, it's going to take anywhere from 8 to 10 hours to fully charge. But once that battery is fully charged, you're going to have a range of anywhere from 60 to 75 miles on that single charge. Your range is going to vary based upon rider weight, what kind of terrain you're riding on, how much pedal assist, and even the temperature is going to affect all of that. I'm riding on a flat area right now, so I actually took off any of the pedal assist that I was using just to see how easy it is to ride this bike without just any pedal assist. And I have to tell you guys, with the fat tires, I'm not having any problems riding this bike on this gravel road. It's pretty bumpy right now. I do think that for me personally, I will tire much more quicker just having no pedal assist on than if I did have pedal assist. My legs are definitely getting a workout today, no farther than I've already rode without any pedal assist. I am going to go ahead and put it back into pedal assist 1 just to give my legs a little bit of a break. Well, as soon as I hit that button to put me into pedal assist, the bike instantly has started wanting to help me. When it comes to pedaling your bike, this bike is equipped with a pedal sensor or cadence sensor. So as you're pedaling, the bike is going to learn how you ride and adjust to that accordingly. The CG2 Road Cruiser is one of Mooncool's most recent e-bikes that they have put into production. When you order your bike is going to be shipped to you. This is how your Mooncool package will arrive. This is a look at the internal packing of the bike when they ship it out to you, and do the light assembly that's required to put this bike fully together. As you can see, there is some assembly to do, but not much. I have the front wheel, the front fender, put the handlebars up, and then put the pedals on. After fully assembled, all you gotta do is just charge that battery up and you're ready to get out and start riding it. This bike is easy to transition to in between all of the different pedal assists, and I do want to mention, as soon as you hit that different level of pedal assist, that bike is kicking in and wanting to do more and more work for you. What a fun ride so far this morning. I definitely want to thank my friends at Mooncool for sending me the CG2 to share with you guys today and tell you a little bit more about it. I really enjoyed being able to ride it. If you're in the market for a new e-bike that's not only designed for practicality but also family friendliness in mind, definitely go check them out. I'll have a direct link in the description of the video to take you to their website so that you can check into get more information about the CG2 and some of their other products and some of the things that you can buy to customize it. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Until next time, have fun and stay safe.